across the bridge part all in there. And again, make sure that you spray your brake rotor down after you're done. And then your new brake pads. Okay, so here's your replacement pads. And then this one kind of sits in here. You want to kind of get started and kind of push your finger in on that part. And then it'll pop right in. And then same thing, that will sit there like that. And then make sure we twist the brake pad the right way. And again, if you were going to replace your rotors, this is the time to do that. But in our case, we're just kind of getting this set up. And just replacing the pads because the rotor's in good shape. And then we are going to be greasing down our first slide. And then we'll put that up on top. I always like to put these in a couple threads just to kind of grip before I tighten everything down. And then here's the other slide. Put some more brake grease on there. I like using that stuff. Pretty awesome. Threads in place. Now comes the fun part about putting the spring back in. And what I like to do is get it on this part first. Get it onto the bracket on the top. And then we're going to be moving it into place here. And then with the help of the needle, get this bottom spring in. And kind of keep your finger on it. And then you're going to bend the other spring part around with your needle nose. And then it's basically in place. And you use the screwdriver to kind of make sure everything is pushed in all the way. Okay, I think we're good there. So, it's good. Okay, let's tighten up these slide bolts in the back. Okay, put our two dust covers on, push them in, and then just a quick inspection, take a look at it, make sure you clean your rotor off, or if you're replacing it, same thing, you spray it down so you get any of the packing grease off of that. But anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.